So you're driving down the road. What's your biggest fear? Besides your cargo shifting all over the place and everything like that, your next biggest fear is a flat tire. Where's my lug wrench and where's my tire? Where's my spare tire? This, we've solved those problems. This is a lug wrench holder. Mounts anywhere in the trailer you want. And this is how it works. Take this off. There's my wrench. I'm not wondering where my wrench is. Here's my wrench. I've got it. Spare tire. Here's my spare tire. We make a spare tire holder. And it works just like this. There's my spare tire. Within seconds, I know where my wrench is, I know where my tire is, so life is good. I can get everything changed and going. Now here's the holder. If you don't want to use it or it's in the way, just remove it. It's removable. Very handy. So we put it back. Just like that. Right back in place. Perfect.